What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel after. Oh my god, how long has it been? 53 days? That's messed up. That should be illegal. I apologize for that. So, anyways, today we are talking about the Arctis Raw gaming headsets from SteelSeries. I've been using them for about 1.5 months. I wanted to make a video about it. So, yeah, let's talk about them. So Arctis Raw gaming headphones. There you go. That's the first thing. Who named this? I want to know about that. Like you want to say Arctis, you know it should have been Arctis, but no, you have to say Arctis. So, anyways, let's talk about the build on these headphones. The build on these headphones are actually really great, considering the sub 3500 price tag. This is a plastic body construction, and it seems very durable. The size of the headphones is fairly massive though. The padding on top gives you a lot more comfortable wear and so you can use them for longer periods of time. Although I am a little suspicious about it because the glue can come out. It's not glued very tightly. So the air cushions are great as well. They are soft and are made of breathable material so it does not get hot inside them. Although if you wear specs, these might be a little tough as the air cushions are very tight. The adjustable headbands and ear covers will fit most people without any problem. Now on the left side you have a mic on a switch, a volume slider and a port for the microphone input. We'll talk about that in a bit, but first the sound quality. Now the sound on these things is actually fairly balanced. I for most part play Fortnite and the game audio in Fortnite is not very good. Regardless, I was for the most part able to hear enemy footsteps a lot better than before. In games like Tomb Raider, I was able to hear details like raindrops. Tiny details like this make you appreciate the game much more. Games like CSGO and Apex Legends, I was able to hear enemy footsteps, gunshots. You could distinguish between two separate guns or the type of bullet that's been used. It's actually very different for me to experience all these. All this just says the fact that game audio is a very important part of gaming. The microphone. It's a detachable mic with bi-directional audio. It is a good microphone and it cancels out a lot of background noise. If you're in your room all alone, it cancels out the fan noises very effectively. But if there are a lot of people in a room, it's a good idea to turn push to talk on. Now, since the microphone is detachable, you can use them as a pair of regular headphones. For the most part, they are very good at being a pair of regular headphones, but they do not have a lot of bass, which is kind of expected because they are gaming headphones first. And also because the size of these headphones is massive, it sometimes feels a little bit weird to use it around public places. They also are not very loud, so sometimes it feels that the lyrics are much softer than the background music, which is kind of weird to listen to when you're listening to music. But yeah, for most of the people, this is not a problem, and yeah, you'll do just fine with it. Regardless, these are really good headphones for a price of sub 3500 rupees. Similar options in that price range is the HyperX Cloud Stinger, I believe. I may be wrong, but I literally skipped that one because it has no detachable mic. But I have to admit that one looks a lot dope. I mean, look at that! Oh my god. Woo! Now, of course, the links for both these headphones will be down in the description, so check it out if you want to buy them. And yeah, that's it. That's my review of the Arctis Raw gaming headphone from SteelSeries. Let me know in the comments if you have a preferred choice of gaming headphones or just the normal headphones that you use. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subs if you want to see more of these. And yeah, I'll be taking leave now. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.